Hello guys, so today we're going to see a new type of building in Staadpro. So for that we'll open our Staadpro. So we have opened our Staadpro software, go to new project, click on space, give the name whatever you want, okay. And okay, add the beam, finish. So here we can see our mesh. Right, so for that what you have to do, I'm going to edit this to exit plane, on OK. So firstly I'm going to select like this type of beams, okay. So I'm going to take like this type of building structure, okay. So for that, so I'm going to node point, select this node point, I'm going to translation about y of -3, link step on OK. Close the mesh. So now I'm going to select this all except this one. So I'm going to transition about y each step of 3. I'm going to take it as 4 steps. Go to link steps. On OK. So right, so I'm going to withstand a single column on this building on single column. So we'll consider how the forces are going to act over it, okay. So for that, firstly we will define the geometry, go to the parametric, click on add, select this as slab, on OK. I'm going to select these points, on OK. Now in openings, click on merge mesh. So the mesh is added. So now I will go to the plate cursor, select this one, and rotation about 3 floors, okay. But it should be about y direction, so don't forget to give directions, okay. Okay, so it is added, right? This transition, so it has assigned, right? So now we will go to general. So after that we will go to supports. I will take this. So go to supports, create. So I'm going to take the fixed but about MECH and MZ, right? Add, select this one, assign add. See here, our support has been assigned, right? So now we go to a property, go to define, so select the rectangles of, I'm going to take small diameters only for both the columns and beams. So for this one I'm going to take it as 3 meters, okay. On add, close, I'm going to take the thickness. So we'll take this one as close. So I'm going to select this one. Firstly I will give this one, so because I select everything. So we have given our column, big column, right? So it is of how much? 3 meters. So after that I'm going to give this simple beams and columns. So we're going to assign the plate thickness So it has assigned, right? Our plates has also been assigned. Okay. So after that, we are going to select this one and go to select missing attributes, missing property. So these are all the missing property. Go to assign and this. But if you create plates, plates will be created. You select here, so you can see our building, right? But
okay, like this, we should use this section. For the filter and select it. And for the transfer limit, y direction, then 5 meters slips of the trousers and the set, click on OK here. We will apply directly and we can see that.
so now we are done with our structural one, right? So after that, I'm going to take the materials on concrete, assign to view, assign and yes. So after that, we are going to take the loading conditions. Okay. Select the load, click on add, take the dead load, take the live load, go to the live load. So now we will take the wing load. We will take the wing load. Measuring all the dead load, live load and wing loads. Okay. We have added double load, so go to dead load, click on edge. Now go to self edge, click on edge. Go to member load. You have to calculate. Okay. Click on calculate. So we are given as 3 meters into 25. It is how much? 75. It's acting of how much? Minus 75 kilonewtons. It's very heavy budget, right, guys? So our next take 0.3 into 0.3 into 25. How much? 2.25. Minus 2.25. Add it. So after that, we can see we're going to take the thickness, right? So it's how much? 0. So now we will see how much plate thickness does we have given. So it's 0.12. Okay. So now if we go to calculator, 0.12 into 25. It's how much? 3. Add composite of minus after that, go to sulfate, center view, standard S. After that, this for only this column, standard selected view, standard S. After that, select this one, center view, standard S. Okay, so now go to the live load. So here we have almost 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So if you want to calculate how much is it of 12, 12 plus 3, how much it is? 15. Now go to live load, click on add, select the floor load of minus 5, so we want to minus 4, so it's enough, right? So it is 3 and 15. Click on add and close. See here. So 0. So it is acting off the live load, right? So now we will go to the wing load. So for wing load case, can add wing load about z axis, Windows X, for add, go to wing load. For that we have to define the wing loads, right? Wing load, so add close, select this one, add target as privacy, come OK, add factor of 1, add and close. Select this assign to view, assign and S. Select the wind load X, go to wind load, vortex of 0 to 3, 15 X and minus X close, load Z, add wind load about Z 0 and this is 15 3, add and word minus 1, add and delete. So here we can see the wind load acting over here, right? So how is the wind load acting and how it reacting? We can see over here. So these are the dead loads. These are sulfate acting for our beams, right? So you can add the combinations also, right? So I'm going to add all into one combinations, right? And again I'm going to take this as live load plus Windows Z and this side, right? You can add and close. So like this, you can take the combinations, okay? So after that, it's time for the analysis. Analysis, add and close, run analysis and save. So we're done with 0, 0, 0, right? Go to done or OK. So go to animation, deflection and OK. Due to dead load, just do live load. Select the beams, so what are the movements occurring for this. So like this you can see. So now we will go to our modeling, design, concrete, select IS456, select parameters, select all these, resistance, instant and shear reinforcement. You can select all this. If necessary data is required for you, you can select. So define parameters, I'm going to take this as 30,000 and F5 minus 50 and F5 16 less 100. Close, commands, design beam, add, design column, add, design slab, add, take off, add and close. Now we need to assign all this. Select this one, assign to view, assign add S, 5 main, assign to view, assign add S, 16 assign to view, assign add S, design beam, select the beams, X, and Z. Properties was completed and next surface plate completed and next beam plate and column plate was completed. Now we should give the loads and definition for these assign and assign column, select column, assign and this, assign to view, assign and this. Again go to analysis and print, click on add and close, go to analysis, run analysis and save. So here our model has been designed with all this, right? So after that, so what will do means in model general, we will look this one. So create, we're going to take the fixed one for this. So we are going to fix it, right? Save.
and close it.
Click on OK. So beam design, concrete.
Calculate as per
You have done it right.
SCE7 and click on it.
So go to post processing, click on done, on OK. So go to beams, stresses, or graphs. So this one's go to this, to results. Here you can see the concrete design, right? So what are the design of the top reinforcement, bottom reinforcement? So everything we can get over here, right? So after that we will be getting all the concrete volume. So these are the beam designs. So this is the column design. So that is our single column design, right? What are the moments, loads acting over this? We can see for this, right? So here we can see steel required concrete area, main reinforcement provided, tie of how much. So what is the results of this column we can print over here. So like this we can do the single column beam or the building with this type of pillar, right? We can see over, right? So in the next video we will see another types of videos. So do like and share and subscribe this video.